Namaste everyone, I am Ramya Shri. Welcome to my channel Ramya Jyotish. Jupiter, who is one of the most unconditional benefic planets in Vedic astrology, is currently residing in Gemini sign and is in Yuti or in conjunction with Mercury, Buddha, who is the lord of Gemini sign, that is Mithun Rashi itself. Surya or Sun, who is currently residing in Vrishab Rashi or Taurus sign, is moving to Mithun Rashi. The Mithun Sankramana is happening on 15th of June, that is transiting to Gemini. From 10th of June only, Sun has started combusting Jupiter. So Jupiter, one of the most unconditional benefic planet, getting combusted is actually not good in many ways. So till that time Jupiter is in combustion from Sun, we will not be able to perform any auspicious activities. So what will be the duration of this combustion, and also what are the activities we cannot perform? Let's try to know about that. Before that, let's try to understand why Jupiter's position is so important. When Jupiter gets combust, that is when Sun closes very near to Jupiter, then Jupiter gets combust because Sun is a fiery energy planet. It's a luminary, and any planet coming near to it always loses its significance and it almost becomes invisible, because in front of Sun, in front of Surya, no other planet will be visible, because that's the luminary kind of effect which the other planets will get from Sun, from getting close to Sun. So when the planet almost becomes invisible, then the results of it also we have to consider as almost null. So that's why when during the transit, when Guru becomes combust, then it is not advised to do any of the activities. So what are those activities? 16 samskaras, Shodasha samskaras are to be avoided during this time. Jupiter being one of the most unconditional benefic planet and is a priestly nature. So without the blessings of Jupiter, no events happen in our lives. So as per Karma Siddhanta, Shanidev, who is the Karma Paladata, approves the karma or approves the event to happen. Then Jupiter gives the blessings, and then Rahu, Ketu, who are the karma executors, will deliver the result to us. So this is how the things happen. So all other planet gives us the skill sets, the courage, the confidence and everything. So this is how the Karma Siddhanta or even the Jyotish is based upon. So, for any of the Shodasha Samskara to happen also, Guru should be in a very good position. Now with Guru getting combust from 10th of June till 9th of July, we cannot perform any of these Shodasha Samskaras, as well as starting any new business or starting a new vrata, new fasting, or even making a promise, or even getting into commitment, or for any matter for that. And also it is not good to perform any spiritual activities like Havana, Yagya and all also. So this 1 month time period is said to be not good for performing any of the activities. But Shukra would be in a very good position in his own Rashi. So certain activities related to Venus is permitted. But yet again, why to actually take a risk of not having Jupiter's blessings, Guru's blessings? And that's why I would suggest and I would advise all my viewers, if you have any plan of starting any new work, kindly try to avoid from 10th of June till 9th of July. That too particularly from 16th of June till 9th of July. So this would be the best is what I would say. So please do let me know what are your thoughts in the comment section, and let's meet again.